Hello and welcome back to another Destination Modified video. Today we're actually taking the S15, it's just behind me, to Glasgow. We've got a photo shoot with RBS Media, so he's agreed to let me film while he's doing the shoots. So there's myself, Lewis with his RX7 FD, and Eddie with his purple GT86 that you've seen in one of the previous videos, but we'll capture both cars. I'm just going myself today, meeting up with them in Glasgow. So the likelihood is I will not be able to record anything on the way up on the motorway, mainly because I'll be driving the car. So I'll probably catch up with you when we get to the destination in Glasgow. Catch you soon. Catch you soon? What the f is that, mate? Just speak normally. We'll catch yous in Glasgow. How's it going, everybody? I did ask Reese from RBS Media, Eddie and Lewis if they wanted to do a little interview, but none of them were game, which is completely understandable. Not everybody likes talking on the camera, especially me and, more importantly, Callum. That is slowly getting there. He's getting there. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep hassling them, and then we'll hopefully get an interview with them probably next year now, because show season's nearly finished. But yeah, so if anybody wants to know the actual location that we're at, it's Clydebank College. The actual location was spot on, and the actual people that were working there on the day of the shoot were actually spot on, giving us other little locations and stuff. So they were spot on. It was really good. So enjoy the video. It's a good one.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Come here, Eddie.
About to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your
Yeah, right there. I'm gonna end up in that swimming pool yet.
He's a proper cute colour, by the way.
Oh, get away!
Ah, my face, go for it. Go for it, Chief.
It's gonna go in your bloopers now.
Something, Lewis?
Nothing.
He's no helping you.
Hey, I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Get fucking.
Get in about them wheels, Eddie.
Oh, look at it, just rub up my good fancy anodizing wheels. I don't give a No way! Who gave him a camera?
No, gotta show me about your seats, Eddie.
No mate, you can just look at them yourself, they're right there, look.
We want a video, see if you can fit in the seat.
I know you... Oh, I better not see it in the camera right now.
You could have cleaned the car out first, Eddie, mate.
That's her. The cat's mother.
Come on, you
So RBS Media has finished the shoot on my car and he's taking Eddie's round now, so we'll go capture some pictures of that and some videos while Luke down there is getting pictures of the other two.
That's funny, there's two bins parked in the same place.
And insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain,
Get the permit, mate, the perm.
Bosses in the games, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness.
You got sound on that?
Yeah, yeah.
We're in this world, could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison.
So before I get into the next clip, the shoot was on the Saturday and Lewis had a not killed track day on the Sunday. Unfortunately, it didn't go to plan. as you'll see from the clip, there's an RX7 in front of Lewis that spins out, then clutch kicks to go back the way, and basically ends right up in Lewis's way, so Lewis hits him. So that's 2 RX7s that crash at Knockhill, which is not good. The actual footage is from slr.tv. I'll leave the full video in the description, you can check that out. But yeah, have a look at the clip, it's not nice to see. So thanks for watching, everybody. That last clip is really hard to watch, but here's a few pictures of the aftermath. Lewis is actually going through the car just now. He's went through insurance. He's got the car back. He's going to strip it down and rebuild it, which is fair play to him. He's not just saying, yeah, that's it, I've had enough. But he's going to rebuild it over the winter and hopefully get it back out next year. So good on him. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and please leave a like, a comment and a wee subscribe. That'd be very much appreciated. And we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.